Trade him. Oh, fucking. That'll be a good screenshot if it actually captures it right, because the sun was just right and you just have a silhouette flipping me off.
We're gonna have to button this up on someone else. I'm getting a new jacket.
Okay.
Talk about it.
I don't know what he said. Alright, nobody else's bike is even on, so. Fuck you. I'm gonna adjust your suspension. No, I'm not gonna do that. What way is that way? That way? Oh, okay. My goodness.
Dude, if you touch my bike one more time, I'm putting this foot peg up your ass. He's gonna love it too.
True.
I'm scared.
It's a gang.
That guy's an axe.
What the fuck?
You thought I was kidding? He's got a fucking axe.
I saw that. I was just like not sure what you talked about until like.
I'm 90% sure it's a fake axe, but.
I don't know. They look pretty close to a tractor supply.
True. I mean, it had blood stains on it, so. Bro.
I see this battery level as well.
Sneak to huh?
Okay.
Oh, did your Sena die?
Well, no.
Oh, now we start moving. Bro.
No bueno.
Uh-oh.
I can't see the funky tips anymore.
Damn it.
Find a hole. Story of my life. This thing is not happening.
Well, we lost Mac. Fuck. Oh, he's here, but we lost him. Oh, he's here, but we lost him. I don't know how this video is gonna turn out. Riding with some of the friends. At least all got helmets this time. I don't know what he's saying. He's talking shit though, I guarantee it. I missed all the fun. Y'all did wheelies. I didn't see it, motherfucker. Oh, probably would help if we wait for the semi, huh? We got Mac back. Let's go. I fucking got the front tire up by my bars to that thing again. I don't know either. Where are you going? We need to get Harley Boy up front. He knows the fucking way. John's waving me back like they don't already have someone pulled over. Oh, my fucking Sena just said battery level low. Let's go. Oh, another cop though. My speedometer stopped working, so John's over here like, oh my god, they're gonna draw attention. Oh! Literally. Do a wheelie for the cop, bro. Don't do a wheelie. Don't do a wheelie for the cop, bro. I know you would. So what time are we gonna split off here?
I don't know. I want to split off soon because it's fucking
8. I mean, it's 8 o'clock already, so. Sorry, it's like almost 8:15. So I mean, if you want to split off, I do need to get gas. So I guess we'll just let them know and we'll head out, right? Or what do you want to do? Because they're going through the fucking drive-through.
what is?
Just walk in the back door. Oh, my fan kicked down again. Oh, I don't know. Let's walk in the back door and ask.
Hey, can we come in? Is the lobby open? Lobby's open. Awesome, you're a bomb.
You coming?
Me?
You coming?
Possibly. I don't know.
I need someone to hold my hand.
In the.
I'm about to, because the sheriff just. Jacob's out there.
Are you coming in?
I don't know.
Okay. No, I was just asking because my phone
Oh,
is
these
on
fucking
the mic.
nuts.
Oh.
If you're coming in.
No, I'm definitely staying out here because we're going to take off. If I go inside, it's going to be warm.
Huh?
So, no, we're going to take off soon, so I'm probably going to hang out here for a minute.
I just need you to hold my
He's
hand.
grabbing some food so we can all chill for a bit.
That's the closest you're going to get.
What the fuck are you doing?
Me? He's got his fucking vape stuck in his helmet.
I'm over here wanting to suck mine.
I felt that.
Listen, I still can't get down with those. Like, I still have cigarettes, but Aaron will smell it on me.
Try this one. I think you'll like this one. It's not mint.
The mint one fucking
You better hear you peeing there, boy.
Oh?
No, I'm still talking to him when he's fucking pissing through the car though. I said I better. I said I better hear you when I hear, hold on, it just echoes because he's in the bathroom.
Hands are taking over.
Spine on me, bro.
Yeah, we are spying on you pissing, dude.
I get your dick out of my hands.
Promise you, we did not send him in there.
Nope. Yeah, nothing to do that.
Well, I'm still recording too. Let's hope my audio picked up.
He screamed that shit.
Lobby full of girls.
Giggling. Because he screamed,
Don't
"Don't
stick
stick
in my ass again.
Cod. Like a pizza.
Fuck you!
It's because you're short.
Man, fuck you. You're addicted to a USB stick. Let me be.
I say that. I'm sitting down because it makes me feel better about my shortness. Is that cop still over at Little Skeezer?
No, they both fucked off.
Oh no, he's over there.
Well, there's a new guy.
Subway.
Well, I mean, the two Explorers fucked off. Now it's that Ford.
He's going in the Subway.
We got time to run now. Yeah, once this bus goes through. Man, whatever.
First of all, you suck ass. Gay.
Third, ratioed. Fourth, get shit on, kid.
Get shit on, get shit on.
That's such a classic audio from videos that never got released. The guy, oh, we can't even fucking, I was gonna say the guy, no, we're leaving, but like nothing on this side is even close to like anything. Are we getting gas at Marathon or where?
Do you want to? Yeah.
It don't matter to me. The less I gotta stop, the better, you know?
Stop.
Oh, you bitch. We could have made it.
We could have gone. Be faster, bitch.
Be faster, bitch.
Okay. Well, the sheriff's right here, and I just kind of like that pissed him off.
You say that until it happens, then it's no longer funny. What the fuck kind of pump are these? We should have gone somewhere else, man.
This is arrogant though. This is the best that they have to offer.
Is that true, or are you just fucking with me?
For the most part, yes, it is true.
Wonder how long my GoPro is gonna live for when I leave here.
The biggest company in this town is, I think, the electric company, and then, what's another one?
McDonald's?
Yeah.
Do I is this,
My zip code, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
dog, what the fuck is this shit?
It said that my thing is now locked, so...
I don't know how to use this. Insert card again, what do you mean?
They have a zip tie on this bitch. I lifted it.
Of course it's unable to read card.
Roll over here.
Are you sure?
Yep, press the cancel button. Make sure it's canceled.
Okay. Some bullshit. This is some bullshit.
Oh, it's squared.
Don't say that like that at me. I'm gonna get excited. I'm in first gear. Somebody say.
I'm gonna fountain it into your gas tank. So just stay right there. I have 3 tries.
Alright, so where am I going, on the other side of you?
Take the fucking thing.
Oh.
However you can get closest.
Okay.
I'm
I'm
gonna
gonna
fountain
fountain it.
No, you better fucking not.
5, 4,
Give me that shit,
3.
bitch. Oh my god, then I fuck up. And then I almost fucking miss it myself. I appreciate you for helping me with this, bro.
You're good.
This is fucking stupid. I could not get that thing to read my card at all. You used to what?
It's a song.
Ah, sure. At least we got the Senas.
Yes.